What is this? It's all messed up. I'd really like to change that. I wonder who could help me.
Wait, Dad?
No, I'm over here. I don't even know who this guy is. Like, would we really work on something like this?
I don't know.
I think it looks nice.
Guys, the Wicked Stoner Panda is here, hanging out with us today. We're going to try to make this thing look a little bit better tonight. You ready?
Let's do it.
Let's do it. Come on, guys. Oh, hey, by the way.
I gave you my heart.
This is Tristan's 95 Honda Civic EJ1 Coupe. We're going to do a couple things to it today real quick. We're going to get these gaudy headlight assemblies out of here. Go with a one-piece headlight. And just like everything Aftermath, we're going LED. So, all you need, Phillips head screwdriver on this one. This is actually supposed to be a bolt, but somebody's been in here before. That's what happens when you buy used cars. Oh, actually,
Let's go.
that's even worse than what we thought. So, see the reason why I told you to go one piece and not two piece?
I guess so.
We're gonna get this stuff out of here, get these headlights changed. Alright guys, got the new headlights in. These things are like a brick, man. Feel that. Compared to the new ones, it's almost like a weight reduction to this car, even though it's only maybe like 2 pounds. What can we say? Honda life, right? Let's get this cold air intake done. Definitely made it louder. Alright guys, this is going to finish up the video. We got the cold air in, headlights in, LEDs, which I think look nice. Tristan?
Yeah, man, they look great.
Alright guys, anyway, we want to thank Tristan for donating his car to us today for this video. Go follow him at
The Wicked Stoner Panda 1369. Like, comment, subscribe. Don't forget to hit that notification bell right down there. Make sure you comment this video what you might like to see done to the Honda, because I might bring it back for some more. You never know. I might be thinking about getting coilovers, wheels. We're trying to stance boy, you know? Just make sure you like, comment, subscribe to Aftermath Garage. Jacob behind the camera, my man.
Sorry, no, I'm sorry. Anyway, we're going to shut him up now. Guys, thanks for watching the video. Have a wonderful night. And remember, dream big.